Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney AI for beginners. So if you want to create amazing AI generated images, just follow along. First, open your browser and then go to the Midjourney official website. Then you need to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Now, keep in mind that Midjourney does not have a full official image generation app on the App Store, so most people use it through the website. After signing in, you need to choose a subscription plan if required and access the image generation area. Next, type a prompt describing the image you want to create. For example, you could write something like a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic lighting, highly detailed. Then submit your prompt and wait for Midjourney to generate your images. Once the results appear, you can select your favorite image, create variations, or upscale it for higher quality. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will be. So don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, colors, and descriptions to create unique images. And that's basically how to get started with Midjourney AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.